In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to deal with supplier overpayments in QuickBooks Online. Handling overpayments can be tricky, but with QuickBooks, it's quite straightforward. Let's walk through the steps to efficiently record a supplier or vendor credit when there's an overpayment situation. First things first, we're going to handle this by creating a supplier credit in QuickBooks Online. Now, this might sound a bit technical, but don't worry. I'll guide you through each step carefully, so you can easily manage this task on your own. To begin, navigate to the top left corner of your QuickBooks Online interface. There, you'll find a button labeled New. Go ahead and click on it. QuickBooks presents several options here, but what you're going to choose is Supplier Credit, sometimes referred to as Vendor Credit depending on your version. This is a crucial step, as selecting the correct option ensures you're setting up the credit properly. Once you click on the Supplier Credit, you're going to be asked to input specific details. Enter the name of the supplier or vendor who was overpaid. This ties the credit to the correct party within your records. Next is the most important part. You need to input the exact details of the overpayment. Make sure to be precise about the amount that was overpaid. This accuracy will help ensure that your financial records remain in order and that this overpayment is accounted for correctly. It's helpful at this stage to double-check the overpayment details against any email confirmations or invoices you have on file. This is a great tip to ensure you're entering the correct information and prevent any future discrepancies in your accounts. And just like that, you've successfully recorded a supplier credit for the overpayment. This supplier credit acts as a form of acknowledgement within your QuickBooks that you've identified and documented the overpaid amount. Plus, it can assist in future transactions with the supplier as you've already set a record of that credit which can be used against future invoices or adjusted to reflect in your accounting records. Remember, attention to detail is key in accounting tasks like this one. Verifying amounts and maintaining accurate records ensures the integrity of your financial management, aiding in smoother operations and peace of mind. By following these straightforward steps within QuickBooks Online, you make dealing with overpayments a much easier and organized process. And there you have it. That's all you need to accomplish this task. Handling supplier overpayments doesn't have to be daunting, especially when tools like QuickBooks make it structured and simple. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful for your business needs.